our seasoned international rider, Edgar Nieto. And now the rest of BSPC, Daniel Ben Carino, Marcelo Felipe, Nico Pareja, Ian Cajuco, Ismael Grosped Jr., Kenneth Maramba, Alex Pagara, Edson Corbadora, and Miguel Andre Ogmerga. And of course, the newest addition to the team, Jude Gabriel Francisco.
So, first of all, gusto kong i-welcome lahat, members of the media, yung ating mga sponsors and partners for this year and for the coming years, hopefully for a long time. And before kami magpasalamat, they asked me to tell you some of our milestones for 2024. And nung sinabi nilang milestones, napaisip ako, ano ba yung milestones? Is it the numbers na na-produce namin this year with yung 18 countries na pinag-racean namin, yung more than 20 races around the world, or yung numbers ng each cyclist, 30,000 kilometers for each one, yung iba more, or is it yung results? Kasi this year, we opened the season with a very nice win from Nicole Pareja sa Time Trial National Championships that was held in Tagaytay noong February. And in that same race, nag-third place yung si Alexis Pagara. Then we started our European campaign. And the mentality for racing in Europe, at least for now, para sa mga Filipino riders and for the team, is to just learn and build the team. Kasi alam natin yung level sa Europe compared dito sa local races natin, medyo malayo talaga. For now. So the hope is that we can learn from the experiences of racing in Europe, learning from the best riders in the world, in racing in the best races in the world, and sometimes racing under the worst conditions. And yun yung idea. But at the same time, kaya pa rin natin mag-produce ng results from yung isa nating race sa Tour of Hellas. Technically, it's the Tour of Greece with Marcelo Felipe. Nagsuot siya ng King of the Mountains jersey for one day, which is a very incredible result for a Filipino rider. Kasi first time na may nagsuot ng isang Pinoy rider ng leader's jersey sa kahit anong race sa isang European race na 2.1. So doon pa lang malaking achievement na. But again, ano ba yung milestones na pinag-uusapan natin? Kasi pag balik namin sa Asia, we started the Asia Tour sa Turkey with a strong race from the team. And then doon na kami nagsimulang mag-progress sa Asian races. And yung first race na napanalunan namin as a team is yung Tour of Salalah sa Oman, with Nicolas Sessler winning one stage and the overall classification. And then locally, nag-race din kami. Marami ring mga local wins si Ian Cajucom. And then after, nag-proceed siyang mag-second place sa Oita Criterium sa Japan, which is it's an incredible achievement for the team and for Ian. And then the next day, nag-work yung team for Jeroen Meyers, yung Dutch rider natin, and eventually nanalo siya ng Oita road race in Japan also. So, napaisip ako kung yun lang ba yung milestones natin for this year. And ang idea ko as our biggest milestone na na-accomplish natin this year is that we have the team has created a culture for Filipino cyclists to have yung opportunities to compete at the highest level of cycling and to compete against the biggest riders sa mundo ng cycling. And I think ang pwede nating ipatong na isa pang milestone doon is not just the culture, it's not just the opportunities na nabibigay natin for Filipino riders. It's also yung environment for the riders to be fully equipped with the proper tools, proper knowledge, proper guidance from yung mga senior riders natin, so that they can take on the difficult and challenging terrain that is cycling. Kasi alam naman natin, like yung sinasabi ni James kanina, sobrang hirap ng cycling. Isa siyang sport na brutal and honest. Karamihan ngayon at this time may mga riders tayo na nasa program nila 5 hours training pero umulan. Ano ngayon? 5 hours pa rin yung training. Or pagdating sa race, may mga races na na-experience yung mga ibang riders na 3 degrees, umuulan, nagsusnow sa tuktok ng bundok. Tapos, yun, 3, 2, 1, go! Ride kayo, race. So yun, ganun siya ka-brutal. And yung honesty side ng cycling, if hindi mo kaya yung pace, hindi mo kaya yung pace. Ganun lang kasimple. But again, yun yung gusto nating i-develop sa team, yung culture na kaya nating mag-build ng mga riders na kayang i-take on yung ganong klaseng challenges. So with that, we just want to thank yung lahat ng sumusuporta sa team kasi alam naman natin na kahit gaano katindi yung passion natin, kahit gaano karami yung motivation, yung discipline ng mga riders, yung team, pag wala yung support ng mga tulad ng mga sponsors natin ngayon, mga partners natin, or kahit yung members of the media, walang mapupuntahan. Alam natin na mahirap makapunta doon sa pupuntahan kung wala yung suporta ng mga katulad ninyo. So on behalf of the team, we just want to say thank you for all the support, and we want to continue our partnership with each other para magawa namin yung best and magawa ng riders yung best for the Philippines and for the future ng mga Filipino riders and for the Philippines itself. Dahil again, like yung sinabi namin 10 months ago here sa same stage, same room dun sa team presentation namin, we are inspired by yung mga Filipino athletes na nagpakita sa atin na kaya ng mga Pilipino, like Hidilyn Diaz, like EJ Obiena, Carlos Yulo, si Pacman, yung mga bilyarista natin, sila Carlo Biado, Johan Chua, lahat sila. And we just want to respect their legacy and hopefully malagay kami sa same books as them. So yun, so again, thank you for everyone. Thank you sa support, thank you sa paniniwala sa amin, and more to come, I guess. And we'll do our best for everyone. So thank you.
Thank you so much, Sir Paco. Inspiring words.
Yes, so far, ang nasa calendar namin na secure is yung Sharjah Tour sa Dubai. Malapit sa Sharjah Emirates, sa UAE. End of January 24 to 28, 5 days. So yun yung first race ng team. Ang excitement namin ngayon as a team, compared to last year, marami kaming binago as a team. So members, yung staff mismo, yung ibang kailangan i-tweak na inayos namin. But for next year, ang naiba lang is 2 riders. Same staff, halos magiging 80% similar yung calendar namin from this year to next year. So na-excite kami kasi at least makaka-build kami from what we've accomplished this year.
Sige, kung may last question po, maybe you can answer or other members.